By the end of this video, your team will have a single dashboard showing all technical writing work, with instant filters for teams, status, assignees, and content types. We'll use rich filters to make this powerful and fast. Before you start, make sure all your projects are on the same instance. First, we need to create the foundation, a rich filter. Go to Apps and select Rich Filters. Create a new rich filter based on a Jira filter that pulls all your documentation and technical writing work items. Name it Technical Writing and save it. Now let's create the dashboard. Name it Tech Writing, set viewers to my organization so everyone can see it, and select a 2-column layout. Start adding gadgets. On the left column, add a rich filter results gadget and name it Writer's Tasks. A rich filter controller, this is your main control panel. Select your technical writing rich filter from the drop-down for both gadgets and click Submit. You should now see a table of all technical writing issues in the results gadget. To start using the controller gadget, configure the filters first. Open your rich filter configuration and go to the Static Filters tab. Static filters are best for predefined common searches like recently updated issues with the JQL, updated less than 30 days ago. Assign to me with the JQL, assignee equals current user. And recently resolved issues with the JQL, status category equals done, and the resolution date is less than 2 weeks ago. Go to the Dynamic Filters tab and add filters for assignee, status, priority, project, sprint, product, updated, and labels. These let your team filter on the fly. Next, go to the Smart Filters tab and create a smart filter called Teams to view issues by writer team. Add a separate clause for each team. For example, name the first team, Fab4, and pick a purple color. For the JQL, enter assignee and members of Fab4. Name another as Sprint Busters and give it a green color. For the JQL, enter assignee and members of Sprint Busters. Add one more and name it D and D and pick a red color. For the JQL, enter assignee and members of D and D. Add all your teams the same way. Just swap out the group names with your actual Jira groups. Then go back to your dashboard and refresh it. You can see static, dynamic, and smart filters available for you. You can arrange them or group by type, and name your sections if needed. See how setting different filters changes your results. Now, go to the Views tab of your rich filter configuration. Create a view called All Work and select the following columns: assignee, summary, key, status, teams, project, and last comment. You can also freeze columns you want to keep visible. Go back to your dashboard and refresh it. You can now see all the columns displaying values for your filter results. Add a rich filter flexi chart gadget. Select your technical writing rich filter and set chart type to bar, statistic type to status, and value to issue count. Flexi chart gadget shows the distribution of issues depending on their status, allowing you to spot bottlenecks in the publishing pipeline. Now go to the Custom Values tab. You're going to create custom values for your content types distinguished in Jira by labels. First, video with the JQL, labels equals video. Second, microcopy with the JQL, labels equals UX writing. Third, release notes with the JQL, labels equals release notes. All use issue count as the base value. Add a rich filter smart gauges to the right column and name it Teams. Select your technical writing rich filter and set the smart filter to Teams, computation mode to use smart clauses as gauge filters, and value to issue count. It shows the percentage and exact number of issues assigned to each team, so you can monitor workload distribution. Add another rich filter flexi chart and name it Assignees. Set the technical writing rich filter and configure chart type to domet, statistic type to assignee, and value to issue count. The chart visualizes how the work is spread among the writers. Now you can add a rich filter simple counter and name it content by type. Again, add the technical writing rich filter and set values to the custom values you've created: video, microcopy, and release notes. You can now easily see how many new releases are prepared, accompanied by the video and microcopy tasks. Finally, add a rich filter flexi chart and name it recently completed videos. Set the working query to resolution date is less than 30 days ago, and labels equals video. Chart type to donut, statistic type to assignee, and value to issue count. It provides a great preview for new videos published by the writers. Refresh your dashboard and you're all set. Your team now has a single view of all their work across every project, with filters to slice the data however they need.